Hello, I'm Dr. Jason Moore. Let me share with you today how we relieve your neck pain, back pain, and auto accident injuries, as well as the top 4 questions our patients ask us when they come to our office. Well, typically patients want to know what's wrong with me, can we help them, how long does it take, and how much does it cost? Well, to answer those questions, such as what's wrong with you, and we want to sit down with you for a complete consultation. We will get a history of your current problem. At that point, if it sounds like a chiropractic type of problem, we will move forward with the orthopedic and neurological examination of the problem area to determine the exact tissues that are involved. And if necessary, we'll take x-rays of the area. Now, based on all that, if we feel like we can help you, we'll start treatment in those areas. If we don't, we can refer you out to a specialist that can. Now, when it comes to the chiropractic treatment here, there are typically 3 phases of healing that our patients are in, and there are 3 distinct separate treatments that we want to do for each phase of healing. The first phase being what's called the inflammatory phase. Now we want to reduce inflammation in the area and reduce pain is the treatment that we want to do in that first phase. The second phase being the repair phase of healing. And what we want to do in that phase of healing is increase the mobilization of the affected joint, typically with physical medicine such as chiropractic. In the third, what's called the remodel phase of healing, we want to treat this area to increase the strength and mobility of these areas. Now, we offer all 3 treatment for all 3 of those phases of healing here at our office. Now, typically patients want to know how long will it take to feel better after we start treatment of these conditions. Well, that depends on a couple things. One is basically how long the problem has been going on for, and also the patient's age. But most patients that come here do get a significant amount of relief on the very first visit. That moves us to the 4th question, which is how much does care cost here at our office? Well, we do accept and bill all the insurance plans, and when it comes to insurance plans, there are typically 5 types of categories of patients here when it comes to payment. First being Medicare. Now, a Medicare copay is usually between $5 and $10. Now, there's also major medical insurance. When it comes to major medical, a copay is typically anywhere from $10 to $30, and that's usually subject to a deductible, which varies. The amount of that deductible varies depending on the patient's particular insurance plan. There's also what's called workers' compensation payment types, which are for injured workers, and also personal injury. Now, when it comes to these 2 payment types, we do verify the insurance of the patient. We accept that insurance and we bill that, and there's no out-of-pocket expense for the patient, and the patient has 100% coverage in that particular case. There's also cash patients that we see at our office. The average office visit runs between $40 and $50, only $40 or $50, depending on what we need to do with the patient. Now, that's the 5 different payment types here that we offer here at our office. Again, my name is Dr. Jason Moore. If you're in pain, we can help you. Give us a call today at 304-523-7891.